Assalamualaikum dear students of class 3. I welcome you all to another video of your social studies class. Students, today we are going to continue our first chapter, and you know about your first chapter, right? Our first chapter was chapter 1, the solar system, and in the previous video we had the introduction of solar system and how the solar system works and what things are included in the solar system. We also learned about the basic concepts about the solar system and about how days and nights are called and how the seasons are caused. Okay, so all of these things were studied in the previous lecture. Today we are going to move to our next topic. In fact, the topic is continuously, so we read up till the sun. When the sun ended, we ended the lecture. Today we are going to continue our first chapter, and now we are going to learn about moon. As you can see in the picture, okay, a moon is a satellite. Now what is a satellite? Satellite basically is an object that circles a planet. Okay, सैटेलाइट क्या होता है? एक ऐसी ऑब्जेक्ट जो कि प्लैनेट के गिर्द घूमती है. ओके, अ सैटेलाइट एन ऑब्जेक्ट दैट सर्कल्स अ प्लैनेट, यानी कि एक ऐसी चीज़ जो कि किसी प्लैनेट के गिर्द घूमती है. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज़ अ प्लैनेट? If you remember from the previous video, we learned about the planets as well. That planet is an object that circles a star. Okay, planet, an object that circles a star. Planet circles a star, whereas a satellite circles a planet. For example, you can see in the picture, here in the center stands the sun. Okay, this one is the sun, and sun is circled by a planet. This planet revolves around the sun. Okay, and when we come to the planet, here is another object that is a satellite, and this satellite circles around the planet. Okay, so this is the difference between a planet and a satellite. That planet circles the sun, or planet orbits the sun, whereas a satellite orbits the planet. Okay, a moon is a satellite. Most planets in the solar system have their own moons. In fact, the Earth is the only planet with one moon. यानी कि तो तमाम प्लैनेट्स हैं सोलर सिस्टम में, उन सब के पास अपने अपने मून्स हैं. दे ऑल हैव देयर ओन मून्स, एंड द अर्थ इज़ ओनली प्लैनेट विच हैज़ ओनली वन मून. ओके, अर्थ के पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक मून है. बाकी देयर आर मेनी अदर प्लैनेट्स विच हैव वेरियस मून्स. For example, some planets have over 60 moons, whereas there are also planets that have no moons, such as Mercury and Venus. Okay, some planets have a lot of moons. For example, some planets have over 60 moons, and there are also some planets which has no moon. For example, Mercury and Venus have no moons. Okay, इनके पास कोई भी सैटेलाइट यानी कि कोई भी मून मौजूद नहीं है. Okay, our moon is very small compared to our planet. The Earth is almost 4 times the size of its moon. यानी कि हमारा जो मून होता है वो हमारे प्लैनेट के हिसाब से बहुत ही छोटा होता है. ओके, और अर्थ इज़ 4 times बिगर दैन द मून, यानी कि 4 मून्स इक्वल टू 1 अर्थ. यानी कि जब आपके पास 4 मून्स की साइज़ मिला लें तब जाकर आपके पास बनता है ओनली 1 अर्थ. सो अर्थ इज़ 4 times बिगर दैन द मून. The moon is very close to the earth, and therefore scientists have been able to discover a great deal about it. मून जो होता है अर्थ के बहुत ज़्यादा करीब है. नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग and Edwin Buzz Aldrin were 2 American astronauts who landed on the moon in 1969. They found mountains, craters and flat plains on it. There is no water on the moon. There is no oxygen in the moon's atmosphere. The moon has no light of its own. The light we see is a reflection of the light of the sun on it. Dear students, in the 1969, there were 2 American astronauts, 2 American scientists. Astronaut, who is an astronaut? Astronaut is a scientist who travels the space on a spaceship. Okay, who is an astronaut? Astronaut, a scientist who travels space on a spaceship, यानी कि ऐसा साइंटिस्ट जो कि स्पेस में ट्रैवल करे. Okay, so there were two American astronauts named Neil Armstrong and Edwin Buzz Aldrin. These two scientists landed on the moon for the very first time in the human history. And guess what they found on the moon? They found mountains, craters and flat plains on it. Okay, and as you know, there is no water on the moon, there is no oxygen in the moon, so there is no life on the moon. Okay, ना ही मून पर एयर होती है, ना ही वहाँ पर पानी होता है. इस वजह से no any living thing can survive on the moon. And also the moon has no light of its own. If moon has no lights of its own, then why does it shine at the night? You all must have seen the moon shining at the night, right? And most of you also love watching the moon. So students, why moon is shining at the night? Because the sun has moon has no light of its own, but the light of the sun, when it strikes the moon reflects back its light. यानी कि जब भी सन की जो लाइट है वो मून पर पड़ती है तो मून उस लाइट को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है, जिसकी वजह से मून लुक्स शाइनिंग. ओके, moon has no light of its own, but it reflects the light of the sun. Okay, now have a look at this picture. What you can see the picture of earth here. Students, as you can see in the picture, our earth is made up of mostly two things, the water and the land. Okay, so our earth is composed 70% of the water and only 30% of land. So the proportion of the water is much more than the proportion of the land. यानी कि land जो है हमारी अर्थ पे, उसका जो होती है उसकी साइज़ जो है वो बहुत कम होती है बनिस्बत वाटर के. The area of land is very smaller as compared to the water, which is 70% and 30% is the land. Okay, so the earth is composed of layers. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water in the form of rivers, lakes, seas and oceans. यानी कि 3/4. Okay, 3/4 part of earth's surface is covered with water. यानी कि mostly जो part है अर्थ का, it is covered by water. And what is included in the water? Rivers, lakes, seas and oceans. All these different sources of water combine to form the 70% of earth's surface. And the land area of the earth is made up of plains, hills, mountains, plateaus and vegetation. Okay, and the land area is made up of the plains and the hills, mountains, forests, etc. All of these things made up the 30% of the earth. The atmosphere is the layer of air around the earth. If you can see in the picture, here is made up the earth and also here is written atmosphere. So what is basically atmosphere? Atmosphere is basically the layer of air, means the air that is present on the earth. So there is a big layer of the air around our planet. Okay, so this atmosphere makes the earth able to survive the life. Okay, as you know, the earth is the only planet that contains the life. So this atmosphere is the thing that enables the earth to contain the life. And what is air? Basically air contains a mixture of many gases. Air is a mixture of lots of gases, for example nitrogen and oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Okay, the earth is made up of 4 layers. There are 4 layers of earth: crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. Okay, let's start from the outermost part of the earth. Okay, the outermost part of the earth is called crust. Crust is the outermost layer of the earth that forms the land and the oceanic floors, known as the continental crust and the oceanic crust respectively. Okay, you can see in the picture, this side shows the land and this side shows the oceans. So this part of the land, this part of the earth that contains the land is called the continental crust, and this part of the land which comprises of the oceans is known as the oceanic crust. It includes all the land, vegetations and water. It is made up of different kinds of rocks, mainly silica, aluminum and magnesium. Okay, so this part of the earth is made up of different kinds of rocks, and these rocks are made up of a lot of different kinds of chemicals. and a few examples of such chemicals are silica, aluminum and magnesium. The second part of the earth is mantle. Okay, outside is the crust, and after the crust, if we can open the earth, there we will found another layer which is the mantle. Okay, so mantle is made up of both solid and partly melted rocks. Okay, mantle has both solid things, means solid rocks, and partly melted rocks. Partly melted rocks you can also say, which is also called the lava. Lava is whenever there is if you know about the volcano, when the volcano bursts, there comes a partly melted solid, and this partly melted solid rocks are generally known as the lava. Okay, so the lava is contained in this mantle part of the earth. Okay, the third part of the earth's layer is the outer core, and the outer core is made up of liquid iron, nickel and oxygen. Okay, outer core किस चीज़ का बना है? Iron, nickel and oxygen. The inner core is made up of solid iron and nickel. Iron and nickel are a kind of elements. These are found in the earth's surface. Okay, क्या है बेसिकली ये आयरन निकल क्या है? ये दोनों एलिमेंट्स हैं जो कि अर्थ में पाए जाते हैं, अर्थ की सरफेस पे. We know about the structure of earth through volcanic activities. Molten rock is found in parts of the mantle, some of which comes to the surface when a volcano erupts, releasing the heat and liquid called lava. That's the same thing I told you before, that mantle contains the molten rocks, and these molten rocks are known as the lava, and they come out only when a volcano erupts. Okay students, our first chapter ends here, and now it's your time to do some activity at your home. Let's come to the book page number 6 and exercise number 1, and this activity has fill in the blanks using the correct word given in the brackets. Okay, the first activity is fill in the blanks using the correct word given in the brackets. You have to read these blanks first, and then if you find any difficulty, you can go back to your chapter and fill in the boxes. Okay, there are options given. If you can understand from this, it's very good, and if you do not, then please go through the whole lesson, and you can also watch the previous video to get any guidance about this. And the second activity contains the true and false, and you have to tick whether the statements given are true or false. Okay, you have to do a tick if there is the true, and you have to put a cross if the sentence is wrong. So students, today's video ends here. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe.